Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to speed up a video in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after open it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. You'll be greeted by this menu right here where you can get started creating your composition. So you want to enter in your composition name, select the quality you want to use, and fill out all the info that you need, and after that just click OK and we can get started. So guys, what we want to do first is go ahead and open up the project with a video, or if you do not already have a project, just go ahead and import a video that you want to speed up. So go into the upper left corner, click on file, and now we can either go ahead and open a project we have, or if you do not and want to create a new project, just go to the import button right here, and under import we can go ahead and select file and then select the video from our PC that we want to speed up. After selecting the video, it's going to appear right here under our projects, and now we can go ahead and get started with adding it right here. So add it into the timeline right here, and after adding your video, it's going to appear right here where you can go ahead and see your video. You can get started selecting the moment you want to take a look at and so on. And basically guys, now we can get started with speeding it up, and it's very easy to speed it up. What we want to do to be able to speed it up is find the video in our timeline right here. Then go ahead and right click on the video. After right clicking on the video, it's going to open a menu, and one of the options in the menu are going to be called time. So you want to go and put your mouse on time, and after clicking time guys, a new option will appear that says allow time remapping. So you want to go ahead and click on allow time remapping, and after clicking allow time remapping guys, now you can go ahead and get started filling out the info. So you want to go ahead and remap it so that you turn it into a speed up version. You want to select the time either to be 2 times faster or whatever, so go ahead and input the expression, and after that guys, your video will be sped up and you'll be able to take a look at it right here. But yeah guys, basically that's it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.